Here is little bit confusion that thyroid stimulating hormone is released by the thyroid gland. That's not true. It is actually released by the pituitary gland. Hello friends, welcome again. Hope you are doing well. I'm Zubair, founder of Laborate, and today I'm in front of you with new topic that is thyroid hormone and how does it work. Before I will get to that, I want you people to like, subscribe, and follow my platforms while you are watching this time. So let's start our today's topic, thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone is the hormone which controls your body's metabolism, the process in which your body transforms the food into energy. Two main hormones are released by the thyroid gland, that is thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine T3. What is thyroid hormone? Thyroid hormone is the hormone that is mainly responsible for the controlling the speed of your body's metabolism. In infants, thyroid hormone is mainly responsible for brain development. Thyroid gland is a butterfly shaped gland that is located at the front of your neck. It makes and releases the thyroid hormone, that is the part of endocrine system. Hormones are the chemicals that perform different kinds of functions by carrying the messages. Particularly talking about the thyroid hormone, it represents the combination of two main hormones that are released from the thyroid gland, that is thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine T3. Thyroxine T4 is largely inactive in the body, while as triiodothyronine it's active. Once the T4 is released, some of the organs in the body transforms it into T3 so it can impact on the cells. Furthermore, thyroid gland also releases a hormone that is called calcitonin. It's a hormone which is released by thyroid gland and is responsible for the controlling the calcium levels in your body. How are thyroid hormones controlled in your body? Let's talk about that. The production and release of thyroid hormones, thyroxine and triiodothyronine, it's controlled by a feedback loop system that involves the following: hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, and multiple hormones. These are the steps which involves in the feedback loop system. Hypothalamus is the part of your brain that controls the different kinds of functions like heart rate, blood pressure, digestion, and also body temperature. Pituitary gland is a pea-sized gland which is located at the base of your brain below the hypothalamus. It makes and releases the eight types of hormones. Maybe in coming time I will make a particular video about that. Now between pituitary gland and hypothalamus there is a connection which is made of blood vessels and nerves, and that is called pituitary stalk, which helps as a communicator. Now let's talk about how these hormones and glands work together. Let me tell you here one thing, that these hormones and glands work as a feedback loop. Here is little bit confusion that thyroid stimulating hormone is released by the thyroid gland. That's not true. It is actually released by the pituitary gland. Let me tell you how. Hypothalamus releases thyroid hormone, which then triggers pituitary gland to produce thyroid stimulating hormone. Then thyroid stimulating hormone triggers your thyroid gland to produce T3 and T4, thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Total of the amount of hormones released that triggered by TSH is 80% T4 and remaining 20% T3. In addition, your thyroid gland also needs a substance to create T3 and T4, that's iodine, which comes from your food we eat. When the levels of T4 and T3 increases, the hypothalamus prevents the release of thyroid releasing hormone, then ultimately thyroid stimulating hormone. When the T4 and T3 levels drop, then this feedback loop system starts again by releasing thyroid releasing hormone, which then triggers pituitary gland to release TSH. Then the TSH triggers the thyroid gland to release T4 and T3. If there is any problem with one of them, hypothalamus, pituitary gland and thyroid gland, it results in the hormonal imbalance. That was all for today. Hope you liked my lecture, and if Almighty Allah wishes, we will meet again in the next lecture. Before you leave, like, subscribe, and follow my platforms wherever you are watching. Thank you.